Edison Eagles, here we are on the last academic day of your career here at Edison. While it is not the ending that we anticipated when we started in August, nor is it the one we would have chosen, we are still celebrating you today. You have accomplished much, and you are ready for middle school. Remember, once an eagle, always an eagle. Kindness starts with you. Dream big, be bold, and make the Edison family proud.
Aurora University, are you here?
Stronger than steel, harder than the sun. Heart won't stop till we get the job done. Go Spartans!
Hey, fifth graders. I'm sorry we didn't get to end the year together. I was looking forward to doing so many things with you guys. I miss each of you and hope you are doing well. I know next year will be really different for you all, but I know you can achieve amazing things. Remember to set goals and work hard every day to achieve them, and then set new goals. I'm proud of everything you've accomplished this year. Enjoy your summer, make good choices, and always be kind to one another. I hope to see you guys again soon. Stay safe and healthy. See you later.
University of Nebraska-Lincoln, are you here?
Go Big Red! Go Big Red!
Edison fifth graders, congratulations on a very successful and thoroughly interesting fifth grade year. Everyone is ready to move on to middle school after working so hard and under very challenging situations. I'm very proud and very pleased with all that you have accomplished this year, and I look forward to hearing so much about your future. The biggest thing that we have learned this year is the importance of flexibility and learning how to roll with what we are dealt with. And everyone in here has learned that in a great way. I wish everybody success and great future as you head off to middle school, but please don't forget to come up and visit us. And one more time, go Big Red.
Morningside College, are you here?
B-E-S-T, the best is what we want to be. Go Mustangs! Go Mustangs! Woo!
Hello to my amazing Mustangs. You've all brought me such joy, laughter, and song this year, and I'm so sad it had to end this way. But it's okay, because we know that life isn't fair, it's equitable, and we are resilient. I know that you will all be successful in whatever you choose, because you are one strong and fantastic group of people who know how to work hard, push yourselves to be the best you can be, and you're great team players. You all know how to care for yourselves, but more importantly, care for others. I look forward to hearing about your future successes, and I sincerely hope you come and visit often. Love ya and miss ya. Now get out there and make some noise.